On a Sunday, May had to clean up her room. She felt tired and bored. She suddenly remembered yesterday she received a Roomba special edition. She opened up the box, took out the instruction guide and the Roomba. She scanned the QR code and downloaded Roomba app. She followed the instruction to connect her Roomba and gave her Roomba a name and a pronoun. She landed on the home page. She was not quite sure how to play with the skill, so she followed the onboarding guide to explore it. Pet Me is a skill which Roomba will come to the owner to ask for a pet in the next 2 hours. May received a push notification when Jackie came to her. She followed the instruction to use the AR translator to see what Jackie just said.